Today, we are diving into the world of durags, exploring rare and stylish ways to tie them. Whether you are looking to enhance your waves, make a fashion statement, or simply switch up your look, I've got you covered. So grab your durags and let's slay these styles together. The first style we are going to try out is called the Pigtails. This style adds a fun and playful twist to your look. Let's see how it's done. That's it, a cute and playful way to enhance your look. Have fun experimenting with it. Also known as the new Drake, our next style gives a spectacular and sophisticated appearance to your durag. Let's check out how it's done. There you go, the flap tag durag style. Simple yet stylish for your durag game. The flap flipped up is our next style. This style adds a unique and twisted look to your durag and it's a cool way to switch up your look. Let's check out how it's done. And voila, there you have it, the flap flipped up durag style. Our next style is the slump guard. A lot of celebs including Ski Mask and Rihanna are always seen rocking this style. Let's see how you can achieve it. There you have it, the slump guard durag style. Feel free to add your own enhanced touch and then rock it with confidence. Our next style is the flap rolled up. This style gives you a neat and polished look, and let's see how you can achieve it. And there you have it, a simple yet classic way to elevate any outfit. Our last style is a versatile and stylish option. Let's see how we can achieve it. We call it the ponytail. And there you have it, a very sleek and chic ponytail. It can be slayed up or down. Feel free and get confidence and try it out. Alright, we've covered some awesome way to tie your durag and elevate your style. From the slump god to the flap tack to the pigtails, there's a style for everyone. Grab your durag and experiment with any of these styles. Don't forget to like and subscribe and give a lovely comment down there for your boy. See you in my next video.